Reasons to choose anti-slip tiles for your space. Dear friends, if you're looking to buy and install tiles for your home spaces, especially your bathroom, one of the main concerns will probably be safety, which we will discover about anti-slip tiles in this video. While most homes feature different types of tiling for its different spaces, such as bathrooms versus bedrooms, some spaces require tiles that are specially built for certain purposes. This is especially true for bathroom tiles. They should always be anti-slip. As anti-slip tiles play an important role in general safety of bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoors, this comprehensive guide will help you find out all there is to know about anti-slip tiles, their different benefits, and how to stylishly match your anti-slip tiles with the rest of your home spaces. What are anti-slip tiles? In simple terms, anti-slip tiles are specially designed tiling material that is made to reduce the risk of slipping and injury. The anti-slip properties are often created by first utilizing non-smooth surfaces to texture the tile itself. In this case, when water or any other types of liquid is present, you are less likely to slip and have the confident feeling of still standing on your feet. While most anti-slip tile surfaces will feel textured and less smooth to the touch when compared to standard tiles, granite slip-stop tiles are smooth on the surface, and they are just as durable and stylish as most other tiles out there in the market. To help you identify the right ones, tiles are tested for its slip resistance and are given ratings to denote its suitability for the application area, which makes it easier to choose tiles that can better protect you from slips and falls at your home. One of the more important ratings to look at is Pendulum Test (P) ratings. This rating helps identify the frictional resistance of the tile itself, with 1 being the least and 5 being the best. In this case, most anti-slip tiles with Pendulum Test (P) ratings of 3 and above will be an excellent choice to add safety and style, as well as being low maintenance in terms of cleaning. What are the benefits of anti-slip tiles? There are many reasons for choosing and installing anti-slip tiles in your home, especially in areas such as your bathroom and wet kitchen. Some of them include: enjoy peace of mind and safety. As mentioned, wet floors and slipping are the most common source of injuries in homes today. As kitchens and bathrooms are generally the busiest areas of any home, choosing anti-slip tiles can protect you and your family, including the elderly and children, from falling and injuring themselves. They are often low maintenance and fuss-free. Due to their anti-slip properties and high pay ratings, anti-slip tiles are also incredibly easy to clean as they repel water and moisture buildup. In fact, most maintenance of anti-slip tiles only require a light mopping with detergent, and that's about it. This makes your home space not just low risk, but also low maintenance. They can be adapted to other parts of your home too. While anti-slip tiles are typically found in bathrooms and kitchens, they also work well in hallways, porches, patios, and around swimming pools. Think of them as adaptable tiles that are perfect for any part of your home that has the potential of water and liquid spilled. Anti-slip tiling ensures everyone at home stays safer. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.